Hi guys, myself Brahmagnya from Kranthi Keen Academy, Dammargoda, Secunderabad. I am from Kamareddy.
Hi guys, my name is Yojana from LB Nagar in Kranthi Keen Academy, Dhammaigowda, Secunderabad. So
We are thinking that what we are going to be tell, right? We are going to discuss about the general knowledge and the chapter icons and symbols. It's very interesting and it represents the our India and nation.
so this booklet is made by Kranthi Keen Academy experienced staff. So these MCQs are very logical and very nice, informative. So let's start. What is the national flag of India called?
Tricolor and Tiranga. There are two stripes, orange color, white color and green color and Ashwini Chakra in the center of the Indian flag.
What is the national emblem of India? Lion, capital of Ashoka.
It is taken from the
Sarnath
Sarnath capital, lion capital.
It symbolizes power and courage.
Who wrote the national anthem of India?
Rabindranath Tagore.
He also written the
National anthem of Bangladesh. Which is the national animal of India? Tiger. Royal Bengal tiger. Tiger symbolizes strength, grace, and agility.
What's the national bird of India?
Peacock.
Indian peacock is the national bird of India.
It represents beauty
White
and
and vibrant colors. The peacock represents the beauty
and pride. Which tree is known as the national tree of India? Banyan.
Banyan tree is the national tree of India.
Do you know that Buddha also sat under the banyan tree?
And the name kept it now is Bodh Gaya.
Which river is the national river of India? Ganga.
Ganga is the holy river of India.
What is the national aquatic animal of India? Gangetic dolphin.
Gangetic dolphin is the national aquatic animal of India, and it will be present in the Brahmaputra and Ganges river.
What is the national motto of India? Satyameva Jayati. It came from the Mundaka
Upanishad.
What is the national game of India? Hockey.
Hockey is the national game of India. If you have played
Hockey,
anytime,
just
hockey,
comment below.
Comment box.
Which calendar is officially used in India? Saka calendar. It came from the basis of Gregorian calendar. What is the national instrument of India? Veena.
Veena is also kept in the hand of Saraswati Devi.
Which animal is the
Heritage
heritage animal of India? Indian elephant. It is used in cultural and spiritual.
Which vegetable is the national vegetable of India?
Pumpkin.
Have you ever eaten a pumpkin?
And in which color it is? Comment below. Which
reptile
flower is considered scared and the national flower of India? Lotus. For its unique
and purity.
Which reptile is the national reptile of India? King cobra. Reptile.
Ma'am,
The skin has some scales on it.
ma'am, and it goes on the
Lips.
uh,
Ground with curve.
and
What?
it crawls like a baby.
What is the national anthem of India?
Jana Gana Mana, written by the Rabindranath Tagore. Have you ever listened or sung it?
It has 52 seconds and short term 20 seconds. What currency is used as the national currency of India? Indian rupee. Thank you.
Thank you.
I always
salute my motherland, India, and I am proud of India because I have lucky and born in India. That is my proudness.
So, if you want to join this hostel, just contact the Kranthi Keen Academy. These hostels and education are very good. If you want to join, just come here. Let's be playful and educative. Thank you.
Ja- Let's
Let's
sing together. Jana Gana
Gana
Mana.
Mana.
Jana Gana Mana Adinayak Jaya Hai Bharat Bhagya Vidhata. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्तर गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना उच्चर जल सितरंगा तब शुभ नाम जानु तब शुभ नाम शिषमायु जाता जन्म जय 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 जय